Harsha from Sure Soul. Today I'm here with YouTube thumbnail. If you like to have fun while baking, keep watching Sure Soul. Today we have Lancelot, Eva, Arti and Sana. So mostly Sana and Arti, they are behind the camera. They do shooting. Sometimes they help me in editing, and Lancelot helps me for recipes.
I'm part of Sure Salt because I really like cooking, mixing ingredients, and in the end it makes something totally different. But also the main motivation is because I like to eat.
Sure Salt means salted salt in Japanese, and we chose the name because salt is essential for everything. Like if you are cooking something, you need salt to enhance the taste. It just makes everything tastier.
I'm gonna add 1 egg. Everybody's gonna whisk it. One.
Oh my god. I never used one before.
I think our channel Sure Salt is interesting because of the place. It's in Orwell. We're shooting in Orwell, and everywhere it's green. And you're gonna find like lots of trees around you, and like, the air is really nice. So the place plays a really important role. I also find the recipes really innovative and cool because who's gonna come up with like jackfruit stuffed beetroot buns?
Arti is the one who speaks a lot, cracks a joke and all this stuff, and now she's not speaking.
This is normal.
This is very normal.
We bully each other.
No, it's not normal.
Hello, I'm Eva.
Today we are making
Sticky date pudding! Yay! Today we're making sticky date pudding! Yay!
My turn. So
If you like cooking with friends, you can watch Sure Salt. You will never regret it. It will be the best decision you made in your life. I'm serious.
Don't forget to subscribe!
Sure Salt.
it's not.